Alright guys, welcome back to the RC Guru YouTube channel. Today I cleaned up the glass climb just a little bit, you know, phase one. Don't get too upset if you can't see through it at all. It's still just a prototype. So let's see what the Optic can do. I put two batteries in it because the Optic has the ability to have a battery on the left door and the right door. So it's got two 1800s in it. It's running off 13S, but it's got 6S inside of it, but it's not running on 6S. It only has the batteries for the weight. So the only thing extra is the wheels. You see they have a little bit of brass in there and 3D printed inserts. Other than that, stock. Well, full Tekin, which is not stock, but you know what I'm saying. And don't mind me if the mosquitoes are getting at me. Oh yeah, you can see through there a lot better. Now I just gotta get my big butt underneath here. Alright guys. That'll be better once it's all cleaned up. You'll be able to see everything. And then we'll be able to find out if they grip or whatever. See, that was just pulling up last time because of all the dirt on the window, right? Wrong turn. Alright, adjusted the tilt just a little bit. Let's try that again, see if we can get some better shots. Wow. Alright guys, lucky number 3. Let's try it out. To the top. To the victor goes the spoils. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.